Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing what I already started doing. I really didn't want to show you guys, yet how to do this because I was literally tired. I was just relaxing, just doing me. So I just said, let me just come on here and just film this and show you guys what I'm doing, because I know I will film a video and someone will want to say, okay, are you going to show us how to do this hair and little mini Bantu twist that I'm doing. So yeah, it's very, very hot, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but it's literally almost like 100 degrees out there. So yeah, so excuse me for my tidiness, but this bad boy ain't getting nothing done. Just relax and do me, okay? So as you can see, I already started doing my hair. I'm almost done. I have like four mini twists left. So I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this whole thing. Let me turn around and show you guys. So yeah, so the parts are not perfect. Again, I'm doing it by myself, and then I try to use the mirror as much as possible, but again, it's a struggle. I did the best that I could as usual. So again, the only thing, I have a mirror in front of me in my bathroom, so that's what I'm using. So today I'm going to be using my yarn. This is a yarn I had for a while, so I've been doing my hair with it. I used it as to do weaves and things like that, and so on and so forth. So I have many other tutorials coming using this yarn, but like I said, it's so hot. I don't want no wig, no nothing. I just want something where my scalp will be, breathed, whatever sweat or whatever, I'll be able to damp my hair or my hair, sweat and all that. So I decided to do this mini twist. Okay, like I said, you need this yarn. You can pick this up from Walmart. If I can find a picture, I will post it. But again, once you type in yarn, it will come up. I have this for a couple years now. Yeah, it's a lot for like $2.98. You get a whole big roll of yarn. Okay, and then I'm also using my Cream of Nature Mango and Sheer Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I'm using on my head as well. And I'm also using my coconut oil air conditioner. This I'm using. Okay, and I'm also using my jam as an extra hold. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my yarn, okay, like this, and I'm going to cut it into a length where I wanted my, yarn to literally stop. Okay, so I will do 6 yarns per twist. Okay, so after that, I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to cut the yarn. So I will get 6 pieces out of here. As you can see, it's 6 pieces, and they are short. They are not too long because I don't want to waste them. So I use one particular strand to be like my measurements and thing like that, so that I won't have to waste it at all. Okay, so then I will take my hair Vaseline or conditioner. I will put it on the yarn, or you can wet the yarn too as well. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will divide the hair into 2 sections. As you know, make sure all the parts are equal, just like that. You guys know the do. Okay, and now I'm going to section my hair. So like I say, I only have 4 left, and I'm gonna section my hair like so. I'm gonna take my coconut conditioner I'm gonna put it in my hair. Take my cream of nature. Put it all up on your hair. And then take your jam and put it on the roots. Just like that. And then take your hair. So now you're going to take your hair and then you're going to start braiding. Okay? Just a normal braid. So yeah, so this is what I've been doing today. It took me probably over an hour to do because I wasn't rushing or anything like that. So I was just taking my own time and do what I do. Okay, so yeah, at the end, just like that. So just take the longer yarn like this and just tie it at the end. You can do 2 knots if you want to, but one is secure and one is fine, okay? So then you're going to take this and just twist it around like a twist. You know, just twist it and just like that. And then take a rubber band just for extra security. Take a rubber band, put a little bit of, you know, oil or conditioner on the rubber band. And this is a large rubber band, so I twist it in half like this. And then put it just like that. Okay, guys? So the same thing goes to this one. So, okay guys, so I am all done, and this is how my hair turned out. Very, very light, because the yarn is so light, it's not heavy or anything like that. So I'm not sure if I want to put one bead like right there or whatsoever, or just feed in the bead, you know, the beads, and then put in. I'm not too sure, but I just want to rock it like this for a couple days. I might decide, you know, I want to add it on there, but I don't know. But for right now, I'm not, you know. So, and I might do it differently than how some of these YouTubers are doing it, but you never know. Just keep checking on my channel. Before I post this video, I might come up with another one, or I might not. Oh, or maybe not. So, but so far I am loving it. It's very, very cute and easy. I really didn't want to do the really, really big yarn. Maybe that will be my next tutorial. I'm not too sure, but for right now, I am loving this. I am totally loving this, y'all. It shows all my beautiful, chubby face, all the futures and things like that. So I love it. So yes, back home, this is what we rock every day, with your natural hair and everything. It feels so good. The heat, the sand, and the weather, everything. So we love these kind of hairstyle, very protective, hairstyles. So yes guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I am loving it. Yeah, I'm about to go lay down and have time my head, and see y'all tomorrow when I'm ready to go to work, and see how I did my face and everything all lit. Again, tomorrow is supposed to be 100 degrees as well. So just my eyebrows and a little bit of lip gloss, because we're going to be putting on masks and everything like that. So we can't see none of that, just the eyebrows and face. Okay guys, so this is my final look of my mini yarn twist, and this is day 2 of the twist. So as you can see, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.